Today we're going to install a new oxygen sensor on bank 2 sensor 1 on this 2013 Ford Explorer. Alright, here's the one I just removed and here is the new one. So we're just going to go ahead and plug it right back into where it goes, right in here. I'm going to go ahead and screw it down by hand. Alright, there it is. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use the socket for the oxygen sensor. We're going to go ahead and place it right on top, just like so. The way I'm doing this, I'm using a 1/2 inch with an extension, a swivel, and an adapter from 1/2 to 3/8. So let's go ahead and connect that down there, and let's go ahead and tie it down. Alright, and there it is, nice and tight. Let's go ahead and remove our tools out of the way. So let's go ahead and put this down. Let's go ahead and plug in our sensor right in here. Sweet, and we're done. Now we gotta do is just put this cover back on. This is gonna go right up here, and there's 2 clips that hold this down. This one's gonna go right in here, then this one is gonna go right in here. After you do that, you're done. And that is how you replace the oxygen sensor on bank 2 sensor 1, that's the one before the cap, on the 2013 Ford Explorer. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.